Welcome to this video, step-by-step guide on converting JPG images to PNG format using SysTools Image Converter. Whether you need a transparent background or a lossless image format, this tool makes the process fast and hassle-free. Let's get started. First, go to the official SysTools website and download the Image Converter software. After installing the software, simply launch it. Once open, you'll be greeted by an easy-to-use interface. Next, click on the Add Files button to select individual JPG images, or use Add Folder if you want to import multiple images at once. Choose your JPG files and click Open. Once you added the files, they will appear on the screen. If you're not satisfied with the added images, you can remove that by clicking on Remove or Remove All option. Next, choose the output location for your converted PNG files. You can either select a folder or create a new one. After selecting the destination path, click Next. In Next screen, you can preview your all images. After previewing, click Next button. You can see multiple file formats by clicking on drop-down Export Format option. We are converting into PNG format. In Image Conversion Setting option, you can set the image quality. You can also resize your images by changing the height and width of pixels. Now, you're ready to start the conversion. Click the Convert button and you will see the tool will automatically convert JPG files into PNG format. Once the conversion is complete, the message "Image converted successfully" will appear. Click OK. The software will show the final report with total item count, success file count, failed file count, and destination path. You can directly access the converted file by clicking on the location. You will see your JPG files are successfully converted to PNG format. And that's it. Check out the link in the description to download SysTools Image Converter. Also, if you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.